Just then, you swung right in front of me.
Oh, did I?
I was right there and you just moved lane. I was right there. You basically nearly hit me if I didn't back off.
Oh, well, sorry.
You were saying, watch out.
Yeah, sorry about that. Come on.
Fucking you.
We don't know you're coming this way.
House.
So what?
So bugger off then.
Yeah, so
I
what?
Park my fucking car, right?
Yeah, you can swear what you like, right?
Do you know how many
Alright.
people I see of you every day? Learner drivers and instructors.
So?
Get the fuck out of my way. Yeah?
So?
Come on, come on,
Right,
Diana.
so what? You know you've been filmed. You've been video.
Move your car.
冇嚟，冇嚟，冇嚟，冇嚟，冇嚟，冇嚟，喺度，喺度。
Do us a favour and move your car. We just want to park outside our bloody
Our own house. Is that alright? I'll call the police then, shall I?
Yeah.
Yeah, no problem.
Darling,
No, this is our house, okay? I'm sick of these lot.
We are
outside
just
our
about
house
to
every
move
5
the
minutes.
car,
Just
right?
move the bloody
We're just
car.
about to move the
Listen,
car, and this gentleman
Move
just
your car.
just come in.
This
and
is
give
our
us a
house.
shout.
This is my parking space. Move
park
your
outside our
car,
house.
please.
David.
I'm asking you nicely, right? And I'm only going to do it once. Move your
What,
car.
okay. Is that a nicely?
Move your car.
David, come
Move your car! You fucking prick!
David,
I swear to God, I'll take your fucking head off.
this isn't helping, is it? Can you just please move your car so we can park outside our house? It's not an
Move it now!
All you got to do is move your car so we can park.
Yeah, simple, really, isn't it? Our house, our parking.
Hello, yeah, I'm actually have a problem with a guy on the road. Police, please. Yeah. Hello, yeah, I'm actually getting abused by a guy on the road, and he's very, he's right. I'm actually on Les Grove, LARCH, GRV. That's in Bletchley. Yeah. Andy Lau, yeah. Well, I'm actually trying to move, well, I'm actually teaching people, I'm trying to move the car out, and this gentleman just pulled in front of us, sounded the horn, went very aggressive and shouted to me and tried to kill me. I got it all on film. Actually all on videos, right? I actually got a proof that what he actually said on videos. It's blocking my front, you know, I'm trying to move out, you know, after I actually teach the people to reverse around the corner. And when I actually move out, and he just drive in front of us, and then I thought, you know, what's going on? Then he started to abuse me. But the man is, well, he's quite heavy built.
It's alright, mate. So I've got them coming round as well, so you can carry on telling your lies, okay?
Okay.
I asked you very nicely and politely to move your car. And you
he's actually, nearly 6 foot. Yeah. What's that? Oh, white man, yeah, white man. He look about 30, 40s. Yeah. He's actually wear it's a body warmer with a black sweaters. Black color trousers. Yeah. He's actually living number 81 on the street. Yeah. Because I was actually teaching the people, we get so frightened from him, you know, where he actually shouted at us. My car actually got video camera, and I got proof what he actually say, you know, and with his attitude, you know. Well, actually, you know, I've just done the reverse one corner with the people, and I'm about to go, and then he just pulled in without any indicators and just stopped in front of us and give us a straight away. I don't even know what's going on. He say, get the, you know, excuse my language, you know, get the fucking out of here. You know, this is my house. And if you don't move, I'm gonna, you know, I'm gonna smack your neck and kill you. Oh, what's all this? I'm actually shaking at the moment. Yeah, yeah.